Can cats recognize their own reflection in a mirror? Cats are fascinating creatures known for their independence and mysterious behaviors. One question that often arises among cat owners and enthusiasts is whether cats can recognize their own reflection in a mirror. The concept of self-awareness in animals has long been a topic of interest, and mirrors have been a popular tool to test this cognitive ability. In this article, we will explore the fascinating world of feline behavior and try to answer the intriguing question of whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror. The ability to recognize oneself in the mirror is considered a sign of self-awareness, a cognitive skill that was once thought to be unique to humans. However, research conducted on various animal species, including dolphins, elephants, and even some birds, has challenged this notion. Cats, with their inquisitive nature and sharp senses, also find themselves part of this ongoing debate. To understand whether cats can recognize themselves in a mirror, it is important to first understand their visual perception. Cats have excellent eyesight and can detect even the slightest movements. They are also known for their acute sense of hearing and smell. However, when it comes to visual recognition, studies suggest that cats may not perceive images in the same way humans do. When a cat encounters a mirror for the first time, it may exhibit various behaviors. Some cats may become immediately curious and try to investigate the reflection, while others may be indifferent or even display defensive behaviors. This initial reaction is a key indicator of how cats perceive their own reflection. Unlike humans, who generally understand that the image in the mirror is their own reflection, cats may perceive it as another cat or even a potential threat. One possible reason for this confusion is that cats rely heavily on their sense of smell to identify individuals. When they encounter their own reflection, they may not immediately recognize it as themselves, as the scent associated with their identity is missing. Additionally, the visual perception of a mirror image may differ significantly from the typical visual cues cats use to recognize objects and individuals in their environment. However, it is important to note that not all cats react the same way when faced with a mirror. Some cats may learn to recognize their reflection over time, while others may never fully comprehend it. A study conducted by researchers at the University of Padova in Italy found that cats can develop self-recognition skills if they are introduced to mirrors at an early age. The study observed that kittens who were exposed to mirrors from the age of 3 weeks displayed signs of self-recognition by 8 weeks of age. Furthermore, cats that are more socialized and have regular interaction with humans may be more likely to recognize themselves in a mirror. This suggests that socialization and exposure to different stimuli play a significant role in the development of self-awareness in cats. Another interesting aspect to consider is the presence of scent markings on a mirror. Cats use scent markings as a way to communicate with other cats and mark their territory. If a mirror reflects these scent markings, it could potentially confuse the cat, as it may interpret the reflection as another cat invading its territory. While studies on feline self-recognition are limited, there is evidence to suggest that cats may possess some level of self-awareness. However, it is important to remember that cats are not motivated by the same factors as humans when it comes to self-recognition. Cats are more focused on survival, territory, and social interaction, which may make self-recognition a less significant skill for them. In conclusion, the ability of cats to recognize their own reflection in a mirror remains a topic of debate, and further research is needed to provide a definitive answer. While some cats may display signs of self-recognition, others may not exhibit any interest or understanding in their reflection. Ultimately, the behaviors and reactions of cats towards mirrors may vary, making it a complex and intriguing subject in the field of feline behavior.